The headlight covers that we have here today will be a great option for the 2015 through 2017 Mustang owners, along with the 2018 and newer Shelby owners who are looking to go with an affordable means of smoking those headlights, but one that will be both easy to put on or easy to take off at a moment's notice. Now, these made in the USA covers will feature a durable polycarbonate build with that super dark tint, offer right around that low $100 price point. So again, I feel like these covers are really going to appeal to the S550 owners out there who love that dark smoke look, but don't want to switch to a different set of headlights or maybe commit to a semi-permanent means of tinting. Now instead, the smoke covers, again, that we have here, I think is going to live somewhere right in the middle in regards to delivering that really aggressive dark look, but unlike vinyl, can easily and quickly be removed if you ever need to, whether leaving a car show at night or maybe just looking to mix up the appearance. Now, the covers themselves do feature that American-made build we mentioned earlier, along with that durable polycarbonate material. And again, they are finished off, and as you guys can see, a very dark smoked appearance that will really help contribute to an aggressive look and make for maybe a more consistent look if you've smoked a lot of the other lights on your S550. Now, one thing I do have to point out here, guys, and one thing that you have to keep in mind is that installing something like this will ultimately cut down on your headlight output at night. So again, just something to keep in mind, but because of the design, you can easily remove these at night if you need to. Now, before we get into the install, I do want to strongly encourage you guys to check out the customer submitted images on this one to get a better sense of not only the aggressiveness of the covers themselves once installed, but also the fitment. Now, I know a lot of guys often wonder about how good or maybe how bad the fitment is on something like this, and the customer review and image section is always a great place to see and hear from owners who have actually installed these and get their honest feedback. But now we want to segue into the install, and again, this one is going to be pretty straightforward, as you might imagine, guys. So figure a soft 1 out of 3 wrenches on the old difficulty meter here. Site calls this one 10 minutes to complete from start to finish, and I have no reason to disagree with that. But to give you a better idea of just the simplicity of the job, we actually have an AM customer ready to walk you through it now.
The tool that we need are the alcohol or rubbing alcohol pad. We're gonna rub the light off, the alcohol pad. The area that's needed to be used a 3M sticker. So we're gonna do both lights with the alcohol pad. These are the headlight covers, Mustangs, smoke. So you want to make sure it's all lined up. Simple. It is all lined up. Just simply press on like this. And the other one. We'll do the same procedure. Just like this, simple, easy. Make sure it's fit, everything's fit on properly. The same here, make sure you remove the seal, okay. Line it up. Fit smooth, just like that. It's done. Can give it a little tug, make sure that it's safely on. Otherwise, it's safely on. Give it a tug, just to make sure that it's properly fitted on. Just to make sure that it's secure. Give it a little tug. It's perfectly fit. All right. So what's gonna now? We're gonna see the process when it's on. Like, please see it much better here. Close the hood down. See it, how it looks.
So if you are looking to add that aggressive appearance to the headlights of your S550 that will be equal parts affordable and easy to remove, then consider the smoked headlight covers right here at AmericanMuscle.com.